Good morning, everybody. It is 5:25. It is November the 13th. Let's get the tropical cyclones and storms out of the way first. Tropical cyclone JJ is now moving west at 12, max at 40, gusting to 50. By this afternoon, late evening, it's saying it's going to be moving west at 5, max at 40, gusting to 50. By the 14th in the morning, a.m., they're saying it's going to be moving now west, southwest at 10, max at 45, gusting to 60. By the evening of the 14th, they're saying it is going to be moving west, southwest at 10, max of 50, gusting to 65. It's got like a category 1 right next to it. The morning of the 15th, it's offshore. They're calling it a cyclonic storm now, so I guess that's more like a hurricane. Moving west-southwest at 10, max of 60, gusting to 75. Offshore of Tamil Nadu. That's Tamil, then Nadu. All right. Okay, you got tropical cyclone Bashar, Bashana, Bouchra. Sorry, I'm having problems pronouncing that name. I'm so sorry. It is now moving southeast at 5, max wind of 35, gusting to 45, right out in the middle of the ocean, nowhere near anybody. By this evening, they're saying it's going to be moving southeast at 5, max of 30, gusting to 40. It's making circles, guys. So I don't know if it's just going to blow itself out or not. Okay. What do we got here? All right, earthquakes. 2.5 Central California at 7 miles in depth. A 2.2 California Nevada border at 8.2 miles in depth. There was a 2.5 Southern California at 6.0 miles in depth. There was a 3.4 Southern Alaska at 9.4 miles in depth. There was a 4.6, now hang on for this one, let me get it pronounced right, Jan Mayen Island region, the Norwegian Sea, at 6 miles in depth. 4.9 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.4 Iona Sea at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.6 off the shore of Chile at 70 miles in depth. Then there was a 4.1 Chile at 71 miles in depth. Guatemala had a 4.4 at 22 miles in depth. All right. Around 2 o'clock last night, I was listening to the weather report and things going on in California. The death toll now is up to 40 and still over 200 people missing. Please be careful, guys. Get out if you have to. Run. Nothing is worth your life. You can always rebuild. God bless everybody. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are so awesome. I hope you know that. Have a safe day.